What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to talk about why day trading is actually much easier than you think. So if you've ever been overwhelmed by the idea of day trading, stick around and I'm going to break everything down for you guys so you're a little bit more confident to either continue day trading or start day trading. So with that being said, show me some love, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below on what you guys think of this video. Also, if you're interested in joining our 100% free Discord community, the link for that is going to be below this YouTube video. It is 100% free. It is my way of giving back to others where I have a free Discord community. No email is needed. You just click the link, you join. If you don't like it, you just exit. That's it. But I wanted to create a good, solid community, a base foundation for people to come, learn, earn, ask questions, and you just get started, because day trading is a very, very rewarding skill once you learn it, and this is something that you need to learn. So let's dive into this video. I have here my TradeLocker chart. Now, TradeLocker is the platform that I use to trade off of. It is not my broker, it is the actual charting platform. It is a charting platform. It is where I execute my trades. At its core, day trading is all about entering and exiting trades within a day. That is it. We come, we nail, we bail, we enter a trade. We have an area where we're looking to close out the trade, take profit, we make our profit, and we move on to the next trade. Now, with the right strategy and tools, you can capture short-term price movements. Now, without trying to predict long-term trends. That is what we're doing day in and day out. Using simple tools like support, resistance, moving averages, and risk management strategies can make day trading more straightforward. Now, again, TradeLocker is something that I use day in and day out. It is by far the number one trading platform you could ever use. I've been doing day trading for, God, it's crazy to think about it now, but basically like 20 years I've been in the game. But the past 8 years, I've really took it serious and 100%. So the key to successful day trading is having a solid strategy. And this is something that you either need to learn from somebody or you basically need to create your own strategy, right? So this means, with a strategy, when to enter a trade, when to exit based on a clear criteria. Now, equally important is managing risk, right? And setting a stop loss and only risk a small percentage of your account on each trade you take. This way, even if you losing trades, your capital remains protected. And that's what trading is all about. You're taking your money, right? You're depositing it in a broker, and the game plan is to grow this. Grow it day in and day out while protecting it, okay? Now, day trading is about consistency, right? Consistency, not big wins, right? Stick to your strategy, keep your risk manageable, and over time, you'll see more consistent results. It's a marathon, not a sprint. People are trying to take $100, put it in their broker account, and then within a week have $100,000, $1 million. It's not going to happen. It's going to take time, guys. So day trading is simpler than it seems when you're focused on strategy, risk management, and consistency, right? Start small, practice day in and day out, and stay disciplined. So this is a trade signal. I'm gonna show you guys, this is exactly what I mean. This is a trade signal that I sent out to my VIP members. So not only do we have the free Discord community, but we have VIP members, a separate group where I put my signals, my alerts, where I'm looking to buy, sell, enter, exit, take profits. And this is a perfect example. This is $1,000. So this is a live account. I put $1,000 in this live account, and I'm going to show you guys, because $1,000 is not a lot of money nowadays. Today it's 2025. The other day, me and a friend went out to dinner, and the bill was $200. I paid the whole bill, but the whole bill, it was $200. I'm like, damn, $200 for a steak, mashed potatoes, onion soup, and 2 drinks? It is what it is. Everything's expensive nowadays, but it takes money to make money. Now, rest assured, with day trading, you could start off with $100. You could start with $100, and you could take the $100 and you can grow that to $200. And then you can take that $200 and maybe grow that to $400. And then maybe take that $400 and you grow that to $1,000. And then you take that $1,000, right? And you grow that to $10,000. And with trading, it's not about being right. It's about being rich. You have to come to the market every single day and eat, breathe, and sleep it. If you don't put 100% into this, you'll never get results. And just because people are legitimately making money day trading every day doesn't make it a scam. Doesn't make it fake. What it means is that they put 100% into it. They eat, breathe, and sleep it. Now, I recently had a private one-on-one mentorship with one of my close students, and he says he's struggling with trading. And I asked him, well, let me see your trades. Oh, I haven't made a trade since December 6th. That was over a month ago. I'm like, man, it's been a month since you've made one trade? Well, yes. So I told him, I encouraged him, you have to do this day in and day out. I don't want to see anyone fail. I don't want to see anyone struggle, but you have got to put 100% into this. 100%. Now, even if you're taking small size, you have got to participate. So if you have $1,000 in your broker account, and you call them every single day, and let's just say you just take 0.01 lot. That's the smallest size you could take, 0.01 lot. And say you took my signal alert, right? You sold, you basically took 0.01 lot, you sold, and then you had your area of take profit, and let's say you just captured the 50 points. That's $50 basically, $44, call it $45. But let's say you held even much longer with this trade. Let's say you rode it all the way down. With 0.01 lot, you could have made $375. See, day trading, again, the hard part is the mental part, the mindset. Otherwise, there's no physical. The only physical is this, right here, your finger. You're using this finger to push a button, to buy, to sell, to close out of the trade. That's all there is to it. You're not on the side of the road digging ditches, climbing power lines, working on cars. You're literally coming to the market, looking at the chart, whether you're using a 15-minute chart, 10-minute chart, 5-minute chart, and applying your strategy day in and day out. Every single day, you've got to put 100% into this. If you don't put 100% into it, you're not going to get where you want to be from a day trading standpoint. It is by far the easiest thing I've ever done. I have tried Amazon, FBA, Amazon Hold, Shopify, basically the shit where you buy stuff from other countries and you basically ship it to the person. And with that, you're dealing with customers, like non-stop customer service. Where's my parts? Where's my items? Where's my shirt? Where's my tracking number? This is just me in the market. I come every single day, eat, sleep, and breathe it. And I get out of it exactly what I put into it. I come every single day and I trade US 30. Every single morning, I either trade US 30 or NAS 100. And I take one lot. And obviously with this account, there's only $1,000 in there, so I can't take one lot. But if I take one lot of US 30 and I get just a small move, say 50 points, I can make $4,000 every single morning. But if I hold my trades longer, and let's say you get some crazy monster moves, I can make $37,000 in one day, basically 45 minutes. You can't do that anywhere else with anything. Not the casino, because the casino, we all know the casino is basically, they're built off of losers, not winners. This is free. The platform is free. The broker, you literally just take your money, put in your broker, activate your trading account, and execute your trades based on your strategy or your mentor strategy, whoever that mentor might be, whether it's me or somebody else. And you do this day in and day out. And practice makes perfect. And you put 100% into it, you will get 100% out of it. So these videos are going to get bigger and better. So make sure you guys stick around, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, comment below. And remember, guys, slow and steady wins the race. Thank you for tuning in. That is it. Catch you guys in the next one.